daw sila magpo-perform, hindi naman daw sila magpapahuli sa pagpapakilig at sa pagpapabilib sa inyo mga girls. Pues, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang version ng Westlife song na Uptown Girl. Eto na sila, let's make some noise for Gion, James, Miko, Tristan, and Twin Kabogabol!
She's never had a backstreet guy. I bet her mama never told her why. I'm gonna try for an uptown girl. She's been living in her white bread world. As long as anyone will have that kid. And now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. And when she's walking, she's looking so fine. She's talking, she'll say that she's mine. She'll say I'm not so tough, she's just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's been living in a white bread world. As long as anyone blood can. And now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am, uptown girl. She's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's my uptown girl. You know I'm in love with an uptown girl.
Alright. Napatayo nyo, boys, ang mga hurados natin. First time nangyari to.
I love them!
Ito, pakinggan na lang natin ang mga komento ng ating judges. Kuya Aga.
Man, you guys did well tonight. Sa boses, may mga ilan-ilan na may konting sablay, pero, you know, you guys were fun to watch. Ang galing ng mga galaw ninyo, lahat, sabay-sabay, lahat. Eksakto. Hindi malayo na merong isa o dalawa sa inyo papasok sa 12, I think. O baka tatlo pa. O baka kayong 5.
Si Miko. Magaling ka kumanta, magaling ka sumayaw. Talagang okay na okay ka. Si Gion.
Salamat.
Alam mo, gusto kita eh. Gusto ko yung galaw mo, yung performance mo. Pero sayang lang, yung pagkanta mo medyo kulang pa. And James, gustong-gusto ko yung boses mo. Talagang bagay na bagay sa kantang to. And syempre, yung Twin Kabogabol, ang galing-galing yung mag-perform. And Tristan, ang ganda naman yung smile mo habang kumakanta ka. So parang bagay na bagay kayo na maging isang grupo.
Grabe siguro yung feeling ninyo na nasa bottom 20. Pinatunayan nyo sa amin na hindi kayo latak.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Ang naramdaman namin, wow, sobrang worth it yung last chance kasi meron palang mga ginto na nagtatago doon. Ang ganda-ganda ng performance ninyo kasi masaya, may galaw, genuine yung joy. Kaya yung energy nyo, na-feel namin, na-feel din ng mga girls.
I'm just so proud of you. Your group gave the best performance for me tonight.
Thank you po.
Salamat po. Thank you po. At hindi nakakahinayang at hindi nakakapagsisi na itapat kayo dun sa mga unang napili namin. Kasi tonight, pinakita nyo na kayo pa nga lumabas sa pinakamagaling. James, you did so well. Ang gwapo mo.
Thank you po.
Ang gwapo niya.
Pinuri ko siya kayo.
Magaling kasi siya. Deserve niyang mapuri ngayon kasi magaling siya.
Correct.
Kasi English kinanta mo eh. Pero kung Tagalog yan, ewan ko lang kung magaling ka pa rin tonight. Pero tonight, base sa performance na nakita ko, deserve mong mapuri.
Maraming salamat, judges. Eto na,